Akkusativ or Dativ. Here is one example. If I'm inside the garden, I will say Ich bin in dem Garten. I'm using Dativ here because I'm already inside the garden. I'm at the fixed location. But if I want to say I'm going in the garden, I'm not already there. I'm from one location to another location, A to B, I'm moving. I will say Ich gehe in den Garten. So preposition is same. That's why it is called two-way preposition, Dativ as well as Akkusativ. So fixed location is Dativ and moving from A to B is Akkusativ. Now if I want to say I'm coming from the garden, then Ich gehe, or I'm going out of the garden, or I'm coming from the garden, I will say Ich komme aus dem Garten. Now again here I'm moving from A to B, but as I'm saying aus, and aus is dative preposition, it will not take accusative. It will be always, doesn't matter what the situation is, it is always dative. Ich gehe aus dem Garten. Now one more thing, if I'm playing in the garden, what do you think? It is accusative or dative? Sometimes people misunderstand that if some action is happening, then it is always accusative. No. No matter what I'm doing in the garden, inside the garden, I'm playing, I'm jumping, I'm sleeping, I'm swimming, whatever I'm doing, but I'm already there inside the garden, so it will always be dative. For example, ich laufe. Ich laufe, I'm running. Ich laufe in dem Garten. So I hope you understand. Follow for more videos. Cheers.